Moroccan-Spiced rack of lamb with a warm farro salad. And this is kind of really cool because I got the pan going on here, but we've actually put the lamb with the Moroccan spice in the oven for about 20 minutes, 375 degrees. You can get the recipe off the website. But I'm going to do something really cool. It's called a reverse sear. So I've got my pan smoking here, little grapeseed oil, and I'm just going to drop the already cooked lamb into it. Just get it nice golden brown.
Nice.
While I'm doing that,
love that.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this reverse sear because it's already cooked. It's nice and crispy. I've got farro that's already cooked. Some garbanzo beans. Green, English.
So folks could use farro. They could use rice. They could use fregolo sangre. Yeah. Any of those great grains. Yes. Any
grain. I've got some tomatoes, some capers.
Yeah.
Which I love. Little saltiness. And here's a kicker. So I've got golden raisins that have been rehydrated with a little hot water.
Oh, yum. Sweetness. I love that. Salty and sweet together. Fantastic.
Yeah, just look at that. I'll just turn my lamb over there. Turn that off. Look at that. Little salt, little pepper. I'm going to take a little bit of butter into my pan there. Now look. So I'm ready to plate. I've got my goat cheese. It's just got a little bit of water in it to soften it. I love the goat cheese, and just like a little smear.
Oh, yes!
Look at that. That was like $250 for me to learn that. I'm going to put in my, oh, you know what I didn't do? Silly me. I've got a little dressing here for that salad, which has got some harissa Moroccan spices.
Oh, you had me at harissa.
Yeah.
You had me at harissa.
You're nuts about it, I know. But you know, hey, to the folks that are watching, you know, I always used to be scared for Rachel because she's such an amazing human being, but she can also cook beyond the wildest dreams. So look, by the way, I'm not scared anymore.
Thank you, darling. Well, I love you, and I'm not scared of you a bit.
I got my lamb out. I'm just going to cut it up here.
Oh, that's so great.
Look at this. Look at this.
Look
Beautiful,
at that. Oh,
medium rare.
It's perfect.
Look at that.
It's just glorious.
A little bit of lamb there on the plate.
That is just
now watch this.
Gorgeous. It is glorious, Robert. Oh, my God. Oh,
there you go.
Drooling.
Moroccan-Spiced lamb with a beautiful farro salad, a little goat cheese on the bottom, and hey,
it's healthy, it's glorious, and we all learned a new technique with the reverse sear thing. I love that. It's because it's foolproof for everyone. It's perfect.